ViaQuest has been committed to supporting individuals' growth in discovering their value, their gifts, and their importance as members of their community for over 20 years. This is accomplished through individualized personal life goals, developing new friendships, discovering new abilities, educational, vocational, and social interests. We help offer opportunities so that our individuals can live their best life. We have a variety of options to explore throughout the program day. We have special classes and projects. We also have therapeutic behavioral supports in our programs daily for one-on-one support or group sessions. There are a variety of vocational opportunities to build employment skills, as well as the opportunity to even earn money, a paycheck, to hone your work skills. We provide transportation to and from the program. We also engage the community daily in order to connect to the community and enjoy varying experiences.
My name is Zach, and I like coming to ViaQuest because I like cooking, I like working, I like making money, and I love working with the staff every day.
Come along. We would love to go on this journey with you, the journey to experience your best life. See you soon.